another group or another member is not talking. So it is a continuous sharing. When you recognize it is not there, you don't have to blame any grace of Almighty, the nature, the plant becomes this, it becomes minerals this, that you don't have to blame. You are supervisor and you did good thing. And the pervertedness, vulgarity, terrorist, liking, why are you shouting? Like thing when it is present, continuously remove this thing also. So once is sufficient, the message is sufficient, the information is sufficient. Don't be in practice with this. Once is sufficient, the message is sufficient, the information. Don't be like this. Don't become message. The message become message. To the normal senses, it is completely alien, uneducated, illiteracy, poverty. What will happen? Let's see. Neither their hand nor in us, in our hand. When we recognize, we politely delete a complete 2 months or 3 months, entire thing, sometimes 5 years, 6 years, are completely going on deleting. Whose duty is this? Choosing a responsible person is become a crime, unnecessary, scolding polite people, the famous people. Let's see what happens. It is all about I am asking and telling everything to these fields, these mountains. When something happens, this they are shooting or shouting from their people that they are completely going to neglect or forget. Up to that, no person is going to start, awake, arise, get consciousness,